Hello everyone, hope everybody is doing well, and today I'm here with another unboxing video of this particular awesome product, Keychron K3 version 2 mechanical keyboard. It's, as he said, it's slick, compact, it's a low profile keyboard, and as I'm a Mac user, I don't want to have a drastic difference between my existing keyboard and this new mechanical keyboard. I have ordered it from Amazon. It cost me $94, and this is the RGB version with the optical keys from Keychron. Keychron K3 wireless mechanical keyboard with Keychron's optical RGB backlit brown switches, right? I wanted to have a feeling of mechanical but not too noisy. So let me go ahead and take it out. Okay, let me put it aside. How it looks. Nice packaging over here. Little bit of foam. Keep it aside. Keychron K3. Okay, if you're a Windows user, you can just switch out these two keys, which will be in this particular packaging, and you have the various options. What else we have here? We have a braided USB-C cable. What else we have? We have this particular light switch. We have some Windows keys. We have escape key. We have the alt keys. Okay, I'm going to keep it aside. And what else we have? We have a keycap opener. Let me see here. Keychron's. Okay, this is to pull out your switch, and this is to pull out your stem. There is a beautiful plastic casing for your keyboard cover. Now let's hear the beautiful music. Okay, so the build quality, although it's plastic switches, still it's kind of feels good. The color combination, the way it's laid out, it's really good. To pull it out, or you can directly just pull it out. So I'm going to keep it aside, put it here, and then press it. There you go. What else we have? We have the control, we have the option, we have the command over here. This is kind of ready for the Mac user. Then you have the escape key. You have this light key, which you are going to change the lights right now. So here, what else we have? We have the cable connector right here. So you can connect your cable right here. You can connect to your system. Then here on this side, you have Windows versus Mac. So this is for Mac, so Bluetooth or cable. So Bluetooth is off right now. Here you have two. The legs are going to come out. One is going to give you a 6-degree inclination. So this is how it will look. Then another one, which is going to show you a 9-degree inclination, right? So I'm probably going to go with, let me go ahead and put it in 6 and have a look. Okay, this looks good. This is how it sounds. Okay, let me go ahead and turn it on. You just saw when I click, you can see the lights right here. Let me turn off this light, if you can able to see some RGB. I hope you can able to see some lights right here. Okay, so the first impression is pretty good. I'm going to connect to this. You can, as I showed you, you can just use this and then pull it out. So you can just pull it out, hot swap. You can then, if you want, you can just hold it with this, as these are optical hot swap. Okay, so this come out nicely, hot swap. So I'm going to go ahead and put it back, and I'm going to install it back. That's how it is, guys. So Keychron K3 V2 looks and feels amazing from the first look. Thank you everyone for watching. If you do like this video, please do like and subscribe.